In this video, we are going to compare the XLOOKUP function with DGET. As we already know, XLOOKUP is already very advanced and has a tons of features which makes it better than VLOOKUP, which makes it better than index match and HLOOKUP combined. But let's compare it with DGET to see which works best in this situation, particularly where we have multiple criterias. We have to find the sales according to the country. But first, what we need to do is just need to check the database that if it is designed as a table or if it is formatted manually. So if it is defined as a table, what this will do is whenever we select any particular data, it will show us a different kind of reference, just like so. So if we want to make it simple so that we can easily understand it, we can right click, go to the table and convert to range. This doesn't cause any problem in applying the formulas, but just to make it simple so that you can easily understand the references. So let's apply the XLOOKUP function equals to XLOOKUP. Lookup value is whatever is the country name. Let's create a gap so that we can easily work on the formula. Equals to XLOOKUP. Lookup value is this. Lookup array, where this country names can be found, is this list completely. Comma, return array. What do you want to return? So here, if you want to check the April sales, since we are in the April field, you can select this return array. And when we hit enter, we can find the results. We can fix all of these cells together in the end. So F1, F4, and all of them are fixed. Hit enter and we are good to go. The only problem with this one is when we change the country, it gives us the updated results, but for April only. If you want to drag towards right, nothing will change. That's because if we open this, it's already fixed. And even if it is not fixed, the next field is not May, it's January. So whatever is written above that, it won't be able to read it. And you have to manually change the return array field. I can just scroll it from here to January and then enter. So this is how it works, but we have to manually change the fields. In DGET, let's see how it works. With DGET, it's approximately the same function and you can easily get it. DGET database. In the database, along with the headings, we select the whole data. So after that, we fix this. F1, F4. Field is whatever is above us in whatever column we are. So we are in the April column. So we will select April and the criteria according to which country names we are trying to find this. So along with the heading, I'll select the country name, which we will manually write later on, and we can fix all of this. But in here, we will just fix the criteria because when we drag it towards right, the criteria shouldn't change, the database shouldn't change, but the field should change to January. So we will notice that we don't need to adjust it. Let's say for USA, it's 17,650. But like in XLOOKUP, we needed to manually change the fields. Here, if we just drag it towards right, we automatically adjust it according to the multiple criteria. So not only the countries are fixed, but also for the fields, it automatically scrolls towards right. And that's the power of it, that the selection is such that you can take the benefit of absolute and relative references in Excel that we are going to see in detail, especially if you are fixing it partially. You fix something and you move the other element. So, but that's the part for later on. So in this situation, if we compare XLOOKUP with DGET, DGET is much better than XLOOKUP. So just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.